Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on Dimensions AI if you have not logged out from any browser or a different PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser in which your account has not been logged out. Then once you open it up, in the address bar type in dimensions.ai and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Dimensions AI website. Now from this page, simply click on Access Dimensions. And now if you have not logged out from your account, you will directly see your username at the top right corner. Now from this page, click on your username at the top right corner and you will find an option to log out. Go ahead and click on the Logout button and now you will be logged out from your account on Dimensions AI. And you will see that the sign in and register button have appeared once again within this page. In order to continue signing in, you can click on the sign in button and use your credentials once again to sign into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on Dimensions AI if you have not logged out from any device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.